cook some dinner. I'm gonna get tofu or tempeh. I think we're gonna have tofu. I think a tofu stir fry will be good. Fucking burn myself. I like to put just a little bit of stock in the rice. Let's go get some veggies from the garden. The kaffir lime. The cucumber's taken over, but there is a spring onion in here. And now we'll go get some basil. Probably too much basil, but we have so much. Look at it all. So this is my loot. We'll do that and 2 carrots from the fridge. And then we'll chop up the tofu and make a marinade. Oyster sauce based sauce. Toasted sesame oil, white vinegar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little bit of brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, and sesame seeds. We're gonna add some cashews in as well. And you always use the bad spoons to stir because you need the good spoons to eat with. If you know, you know. Anyone has chopping tips for kaffir lime leaves? I'm all ears because I just kind of keep going until they're teeny weeny. I'm gonna try to julienne these carrots. Cute, right? Now you have cubes. There's something wrong with our flame. It keeps doing that. Sizzle test part 2. Turn the rice off and you fluff it with a fork and then leave covered for 15 minutes. Sizzle test. It's good enough.